If you want to make money in 2025, you have to watch this video till the end, especially for the girlies. So if you want to make money in 2025 and you're still thinking of what can you start, what can you do without capital, I have five, and I'm not sure I'm giving you all the five in this video, but I have five skills that you can do without money and make at least, let me be realistic, 500k every month. So if you want to know the secret of how to make money, keep watching this video till the end. Oh my god, I'm so happy because I want to spill out a lot of tea. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, my name is Modupe Eto, and today I'm on the hot seat of spilling everything you need to know on how to make money, especially for those that are not married, because if you are married it might be a little bit difficult, but you can still do the business. You can do the things I want to say. Yes, and you can start it without money. Share this video to somebody that needs to know how to start something without money. So let's go. The first one I have on my list, guys, is cleaning. Now I know a lot of you always feel cleaning of the house, like helping people to clean their house, you need to have a lot of equipment. Like you need to have a lot of heavy duty equipment to clean the house. Now I'm telling you that you don't really need any of those things when you are starting. The most important thing you need when starting your cleaning job is just your broom, your packer, your mop. I think those are the basic things you need. And how can you start this cleaning job without actually having money? You can start by advertising it on your platform, on your Facebook platform, your social media platform, and you can begin to see clients, because there are a lot of people today that don't really have that time to clean their house. They're looking for somebody trustworthy enough to clean their house. So instead of you sitting down and waiting for manna to fall, you can start with that. You can begin to tell somebody, post it on your status, let people know that you can clean. If possible, do a very short video of where you are cleaning, either your own apartment or somebody else's apartment, and post. From there you might begin to get recommendation. And guess the interesting thing about this thing is the fact that when you start this business, because it's a business, it's a cleaning business, when you start this cleaning business, you can decide to clean close to at least 10 people's house in a month, because I've done the mathematics for you. I've done all the kind of mathematics. You can decide to clean 3 people's house every week or 4 people's house every week. If you are single and you know that you are so free, you can decide to be cleaning 5 people's house every week. And guess what? Definitely the cleaning is going to be like 2 times every month. Yes, depending on how you want your own cleaning stuff to be. But I'm telling you, imagine these people you are cleaning the house for begin to pay you. You are cleaning, for instance, for like 5 people every week. 5 people every week, like 2 weeks. You clean for 5 people and you clean it every 2 weeks. Another 5 sets every 2 weeks. That's like 10 person. Imagine if they are paying you 30,000 naira for this your cleaning job. My dear, you are making a whooping sum of 300k. Now you can make more, because when you begin to have more clients, more people to clean, and you know that you can't be everywhere, you can employ and increase your amount you charge based on the fact that you have people to pay. Now how is that thing making sense? You don't need all this big stuff to start. You can start from that small place that you are. You can create the awareness, tell your friends, tell people around that you clean, you do this. Cleaning job is never a bad thing to do. So if you are looking for one kind of thing, one business you can just start, you can start with this. And I'm telling you, if you are very serious, you are going to go far. I don't want my video to be too long, but at the same time I have to spill everything out so that you can have some idea on how to start. Yes. So the second one is dry cleaning. Like me, I can imagine how much my husband spent in just going to dry clean his clothes, especially those senators, hen, especially those ones. Now, do you know that if you are very good in dry cleaning, you don't need to have a shop. It's a home service you begin to do. Home service. Yes, home service. You create the awareness, tell people around, post it on your social media platform that you are into dry cleaning, home service. You pick a day, like let me use my husband as an example. I think before he takes his clothes to the dry cleaner, his clothes is always big. Like, I don't even know. I don't know how my husband managed to do it, but I know he doesn't take his clothes once he just put it on. He takes it. He will keep it till when it's much or large. He will not carry them to his dry cleaner. So imagine if he's not carrying it to his dry cleaner. He already has somebody that is already coming to the house to wash, to iron. You can imagine how much you will charge per clothes. How much your what's the name, your pay might be a little bit even higher than the dry cleaner, or might be lower depending. So you can imagine how many clothes you wash, and imagine you wash somebody's clothes today and the person is paying you a whooping sum of 30 to 40,000 naira, you understand, for your dry cleaning job. And you do it like how many times in a week, how many times in a month. How much will you be making without paying shop rent? All you need is just your washing tools, and make sure you know how to iron. That is the main thing about this dry cleaner. Everybody can wash, but not everybody can iron some specific kind of clothes. So that is why you see people go to the dry cleaner. That's number 2. Now, if number 1 and number 2 is not for you, number 3 might be for you. So you still need to watch this video. Whoever said that you must be a market woman to sell food stuff? You don't even need to have a shop to enter or to venture into food business. You don't even need money. You don't need a capital. Let me give you the gist. When you want to start your food business, specifically for me, you will not start with everything. You can decide to start with the things that go to the market very fast. Palm oil, crayfish, all those things are very essential. I know that every time people need it. You yourself, you don't have the money for the capital to buy it in bulk. But guess what? You can put it on your social. You know that social media platform is very powerful to grow as a business owner. Now you can put it on your platform, like every Wednesday we are going to be sharing crayfish, 1 bag of crayfish. Everybody pay in your money. People are interested. See, most people even prefer that than going to the market to buy all those things. They prefer this sharing. Yes. So imagine when you are not putting your own money, you are collecting the money, buying it for them, sharing it for them, and keeping your own gain to yourself. So you can do it not just for crayfish business. You can do it for other foodstuff item that is moving well in the markets. You now, your own work is to actually go and check out what moves and sell fast in the market that you can venture into, and you are going to sell out like water. So moving to the 4th one, it's still food business. In case you don't like that sharing part of the business, you can decide to begin to go for errands for people. Yes, you can begin to make the awareness, or create the awareness that you are going to be going to the market every Thursday. So anybody that wants to go to the market is going to give you the list of what they want to buy, and also pay you for your service. So you can see that you are making money without using your own money. Now this video is going to be too long, and I'm going to see you for the number 5. Do well to subscribe and check out the next video, because that's when this number 5 I'm going to spill. A lot of vendors will not like it. I mean, a lot of vendors, especially those selling hairs, will not like it. those that are always scamming people will not like the fifth one. So watch the next video, because I don't want this video to be too long. Watch the next video so that you can actually get the fifth and sweetest information ever. Bye.